Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to share about person profile of Imam As-Syatibi. His name is Abu Al-Qasim bin Firruh bin Khalaf bin Ahmad As-Syatibi Al-Andalusi. He was born in 538 Hijrah in Syatibah, Andalusia. He was died on 28 Jamadil Akhir 590 Hijrah in Baghdad, Iraq, and his kunyah is Abu Qasim.
Background Al-Imam Al-Syatibi. Background of his studies. He learned the Quran and the science of Qira'at from his teacher Abi Abdullah Muhammad bin Abi As al-Nafari in Syatibah. Then he migrated to Banisa, which is a village in Andalus, and studied with his famous teachers Ibn Huzayli. There he studied the science of Hadith. He also studied other sciences such as Kitab As-Sibawayh Al-Kamil by Mubarrad, Abdullah Katib by Ibn Qutaybah from Abi Abdullah Muhammad bin Humayd. Then he went to perform Hajj by following Al-Iskandariyah road. He had time to read the Quran to Abi Tahir As-Salafi and other scholars during the trip.
Okay, next, his teachers are among the scholars. Among the scholars in Dimashq, Abu Muhammad Abdul Wahhab bin As-Salam, Sheikh Ahmad bin Ibrahim Al-Tahan, Sheikh Abu Al-Ma'ali Muhammad bin Ahmad Al-Labani, and Al-Qadi Abu Yusuf Ahmad bin Al-Husayn Al-Kifri Al-Hanafi. Meanwhile, teachers from Egypt, Abu Bakr Abdullah bin Al-Jundi, Abu Abdullah Muhammad bin As-Saghi, Abu Muhammad Abdul Rahman bin Al-Baghdadi, and Sheikh Abdul Wahhab Al-Qarni.
Journey to Makkah and Medina. When he traveled to Makkah to perform the Hajj and went to Medina to visit the Prophet ﷺ, he had a talaqi al-Quran with the Imam of the Prophet's mosque at that time, Muhammad bin Saleh. He has also recited the Quran from almost all the Imams of Qira'at from Sham, Egypt, Hijaz, both individually and in Jama' based on authoritative books of Qira'at such as As-Syatibiyah, Al-Taysir, Al-Kafi, Al-Unwan, Al-I'lan, Al-Mustanir, Al-Tazkirah, Al-Tajrid, and other famous books of recitation at that time, which became the main reference for Muslims in this field.
Point number 3, expertise. First, science of Qira'at. Imam As-Syatibi is widely known as an expert in Qira'at. His monumental work, Hirs Al-Amani wa Wajh Al-Tahani, known as Matan As-Syatibiyah, is a primary text in the science of Qira'at that details the 7 modes of recitation Qira'at Sab'ah, a tribute to 7 famous Qira'at Imams. This book serves as a major reference for students of Qira'at worldwide. Second, science of Tajweed. He was also an expert in Tajweed, the science that studies the proper pronunciation and recitation of the Quran according to established rules. Expertise in Tajweed ensures that the Quran is recited correctly, following the traditions passed down from Prophet Nabi Muhammad SAW. Third, science of Nahu. Imam As-Syatibi had a deep understanding of Nahu, which is essential for comprehending classical Arabic texts, including the Quran and Hadith. Nahu helps in the accurate analysis and interpretation of text. For the last, science of Balaghah. Imam As-Syatibi was an expert in Balaghah, which encompassed the study of the beauty and eloquence of the Arabic language. Expertise in Balaghah is crucial for effectively and beautifully conveying religious message. Through his works and dedication to teaching and learning, Imam As-Syatibi made significant contribution to the Islamic work. His expertise in various fields of Islamic knowledge makes him one of the most respected and remembered scholars to this day.
Now, I will explain about contributions of Imam Syatibi. The first one, about the theory of Qiraat studies. As-Syatibi is a very renowned figure in the discussions of the science of Tajweed and the science of Qiraat. As-Syatibi introduced a new innovation in writing the science of Qiraat by composing it in the form of a poem, or we call it in Arabic as matan. This work is called his Al-Amani wa Wajhu Tahani fi Al-Qira'at As-Saba', or is known as Matan As-Syatibi.
Syatibi is not only make an innovation by converting a prose to the poetry, he's also used an alphabet code for the Imam and the narrator. This way can make Qiraat easier for the further generation to know who's the Imam and the narrator and how to recite it.
The last one is books that written by Imam As-Syatibi. The first one is Rizul Amani wa Wajhut Tahani. This is the one of the important books for lovers of the science of Qiraat. This book discusses the 7 famous Imams of Qiraat, arranged in a total of 1,173 lines of poetry, and it is a summary for the book at Taysir. Each verse in this matan text and with the letter line. Additionally, meaningful advice and guidance are interspersed in the introduction. Additionally, another book that is offered reference for a deeper understanding of the Usmani script of the Quran is Akilatu Atrab al-Qasid fi Ar-Rasam, which ends its verse with the letter Ra and is a summary of the book Al-Bayan by Imam Abu Amr Ad-Dani. Another book written is Nazimatul Zur, which explains the sense of fawasil, indicating the number of verse and the division of surah in the Quran. And it is also a summary of the book Al-Bayan by Imam Abu Amr Ad-Dani. The poetic expression in this text greatly facilitate students of Quran in mastering and understanding the content, as the poetry serves as concise notes from lengthy and detailed explanation. I think that's all from us.